way. Beaver taps his wooden broom, sweeping leaves away late. A chipmunk with a tiny brush cleans acorns one by one. Cleaning crew, keeping forest fun. Keep in the deep blue ocean world where coral colors glow. Octopus wipes every rock with arms that move just so soon. A little crab clicks clack around, picking shells so neat. Cleaning crew, ocean clean and sweet. Ocean clean and sweet. In the desert warm and bright, where sandy winds blow wide, camel lifts a feather duster, brushing dunes with pride. A fennec fox sweeps tiny prints with its fluffy tail so light. Cleaning crew, desert shining bright. Desert shining bright. Sing it up. Arctic ice polishes. Arctic ice polish runs. In the chilly polar world where snowflakes drift and play, a penguin rubs an icy slide to make it smooth all day.